Okay, judges comment. Kathy, go ahead.
Wow. Very impressive. The beginning part, that call from the peanut, it's very catchy. That's what catches us, eyes, is always the beginning. You're energetic throughout the whole song, which is really good. I didn't see any mistake. I like how very good, because being up front makes you more confident and brings it out more in you. Your dance is very creative. I like all those very unique poses. The only bad thing which you guys had a little tumble in between. So I need to utilize it for space now, but everything else was good.
Thank you. Come, Toby.
Wow, good job. The costume is beautiful. It's really original. I gotta say, you guys are unique. For them, you guys do have the hand movement. For them, the hand movement. Cheer is good. The beat is good. Yeah, she, like Kathy said, as a dancer, learn to give yourself a space, which means they all come up, they reach for how dancing moves, because every front, other than that, it's good.
Thank you. And our third judge,
I really like the beginning of Nkauj. Like one does it and the other one follows. So I really like that type of style from the very beginning. The very beginning, that's what catches us, and so that's what I thought it was really interesting and creative on that point here. Rangoli nghĩ cái tác hiện lên gì give a little bit space to there's a lot of you guys, right? 7, 2, 4, 6, 7, yeah. So when clump up together again, we can't see all your movements, but I do understand that's also like a certain type of style you have within your group too. So yeah, just work on that a little bit, and so we can see all of you guys and see exactly what you're doing and your ideology behind it. But besides that, there's still tomorrow, so keep that smile up and be Malaysian.